Hi everybody. Are you bored of your school break because of coronavirus outbreak? How about let's make slime together? But do you know how to make slime? No problem. I will show you how to make slime. First you need is liquid glue, liquid detergent, bowl, something to mix with, and a container, and a kitchen tool. If you want to put some glitter or beads or confetti, you can put. I want to put some on beads and confetti. That's all you need. Now let's make our slime. First we need to pour the glue in. And then you pour your detergent little by little by mixing. You see it becoming thicker and thicker. Keep mixing and mixing and mixing. See how much slime I made? And how thick is it going? I just need to keep mixing and mixing. Slime, it's now finished. We just need to do is put it in the container and put our beads and our confetti. Let's do it. So I'm going to take my container and then I open this container. Now it's open. I'm going to put my slime, the slime in my container. Take the bowl. And I'm going to put some confettis and some beads. So I'm going to open this. Gonna put some beads and confetti. Now my slime is finished. I'm gonna put it in my container and close the lid. Fun facts about slime. Making slime is a experience of chemistry. Slime can be toys or our playing stuff. Slime product was invented in 1970. That's all today. Thank you for watching my video. Bye!